Suzuki Grand Vitara, recognized by Auto Pacific as the ideal compact SUV/off-road vehicle. Suzuki Grand Vitara surpasses other SUVs in its size and price category in balancing off-road capability with the very real needs of a daily commute. The vehicle's surprising off-road performance is matched by an equally impressive interior, making the Grand Vitara the perfect choice for adventure-minded drivers seeking to confidently explore the outside world in comfort and style. The ultimate discovery vehicle, the Suzuki Grand Vitara helps customers engage directly with their environment and their experiences. For 2009, the rugged and award-winning Suzuki Grand Vitara, a true SUV in a segment of soft-roaders, offers brute owners the opportunity to resize for better fuel economy without settling for a cute lacking full SUV capability. The standard, all-new four-cylinder engine provides drivers with better mileage, and a new, more powerful V6 delivers fuel economy better than the V6 it replaces. A new grille and front bumper design accent the Suzuki Grand Vitara distinctive, chiseled yet elegant lines, with additional interior enhancements, including illuminated steering wheel controls, a sliding front center armrest, visor extenders, HVAC controls, upgraded audio system and updated cloth upholstery. As with all retail 2009 Suzuki automobiles and light trucks, the Grand Vitara is backed by America's #1 warranty, the 100,000-mile/7-year, fully transferable, zero-deductible powertrain limited warranty. Suzuki Grand Vitara 2009 Suzuki Grand Vitara performance and functionality. The new Suzuki-developed 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine produces 166 horsepower and 162 pounds-feet of peak torque, delivering EPA fuel economy estimates of up to 19 miles per gallon/city and 26 miles per gallon/highway. Available for Suzuki Grand Vitara XSport and luxury models is a new 3.2-liter V6 engine with 230 horsepower and 213 pounds-feet of torque, replacing the 2.7-liter V6 engine in 2008 Grand Vitara that produced 185 horsepower and 184 pounds-feet of torque. Despite an increase of 45 horsepower, the new V6 betters the old motor in fuel economy ratings. The new engine is also 20% cleaner than the 2008 model as measured by the state of California smog index rating. The new V6 also features variable valve timing for both the intake and exhaust camshafts, and both Suzuki Grand Vitara engines use a zero-maintenance timing chain in place of a belt. The Grand Vitara's new four-cylinder engine can be teamed to a standard 5-speed manual transmission or a new 4-speed automatic transmission, while the V6 is matched to a standard 5-speed automatic transmission. To help fulfill their sense of adventure, customers can choose among RWD models, single-mode 4-wheel drive or 4-mode full-time 4-wheel drive, a traction system unlike anything else offered in the segment. The Electronic Stability Program ESP registered trademark is standard for all Suzuki Grand Vitara models, along with a new rollover sensor for the standard side curtain airbags. Enhancing performance on any road is a strengthened structure for 2009. Plus rear disc brakes that replace the previous drums. Suzuki 4-mode 4-wheel drive offers the best of both worlds, further aided by a completely retuned suspension. It is exceptionally capable off-road but is civilized on the asphalt. On pavement, drivers can leave the dash-mounted transfer case switch in 4H and the electronically controlled on-demand 4-wheel drive system will apply traction to the front wheels only as needed, optimizing economy. When traveling off-road, or for low-speed power and traction, Drivers can turn the switch to high range for H-lock or low range for L-lock to engage the center differential lock. The V6 model with 4-mode full-time 4-wheel drive also features hill descent control and hill hold control, which can enhance driving safety on steep slopes. For RV owners, the Suzuki Grand Vitara equipped with an automatic transmission or with the 4-mode full-time 4-wheel drive system can also be flat-towed. Switching the transfer case control into the neutral position helps minimize drive line wear and prevent non-driving miles from accumulating on the odometer. Built like a brew, the Suzuki Grand Vitara continues Suzuki's 40-year heritage of building compact but rugged SUV-type vehicles, including a model named Brute. The current Grand Vitara has proven its durability in some of the toughest global markets. Key to the Grand Vitara's go-anywhere capability is its unique body construction with integrated ladder frame, rear drive-based drive line and 4-wheel independent suspension. Typically, only luxury SUVs offer this premium architecture. This type of construction yields the strength and capability sought in large SUVs, while providing the on-road agility and ride quality expected in the modern compact SUV. Also separating the Suzuki Grand Vitara from the high wagons in the segment is the availability of a 4-mode full-time 4-wheel drive system with 2-speed transfer case. This hardware, combined with its rugged body construction, steep approach and departure angles, and 7.9 inches of ground clearance for WD models enables the Grand Vitara to keep going when the pavement turns to trail. In addition, the Suzuki Grand Vitara 3,000 pounds towing capacity with V6 is double that of many car-based models and enough to haul light recreational boats, ATVs or motorcycles. Safety beyond offering a strong yet weight-optimized structure, the unibody with built-in ladder frame contributes to collision protection in the Suzuki Grand Vitara. The reinforced cabin has the added safety of head impact protection pad and front and rear side impact door beams. Active safety, the ability to help avoid an accident. Technology in every Suzuki Grand Vitara model includes anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, tire pressure monitoring system and ESP with traction control. ESP helps ensure vehicle stability when cornering, under acceleration, during emergency maneuvers and when driving on slippery road surfaces. Taking input from a variety of sensors, ESP has the ability to apply individual brakes and reduce engine torque to help the driver maintain the desired line of travel. Standard passive safety features in every Suzuki Grand Vitara model include driver and front passenger seat mounted side impact airbag, supplemental restraint systems SRS, advanced dual stage front airbag SRS, advanced weight sensing front passenger airbag SRS and front and rear side curtain airbags networked with a rollover sensor. The 3-point driver and front passenger seat belts feature pretensioners and shoulder height adjustment. Each rear seating position is equipped with a 3-point seat belt and headrest. Also provided is a rear child seat latch system, lower anchors and tethers for children. The Grand Vitara safety engineering also reflects Suzuki's attention to pedestrian impacts demanded in many global markets. The front end and the bumper integrate energy-absorbing materials to help reduce the possibility of serious leg injuries. The hood is designed to absorb some of the impact and help protect against serious head injuries. These factors helped the 2009 Suzuki Grand Vitara earn the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest rating of good in its most recent frontal crash protection test. In combination, these active and passive safety features make Suzuki Grand Vitara one of the best equipped compact SUVs with respect to safety. The look and function of a Suzuki to simplify and improve the driver experience. Suzuki offers easy-to-use features that add useful, real-world functionality to each vehicle. The Suzuki Grand Vitara shows its Suzuki sensibilities in a simple, uncluttered design. Form follows function, with styling that does not compromise visibility, as it does in many crossover-type SUVs. Handsome good looks are part of the mix, too, along with SUV necessities, including short overhangs and roof rails. Exterior mirrors, door handles and bumpers are all color-keyed. The compact exterior footprint contains a roomy, comfortable and versatile cabin to take people and cargo on daily trips or extraordinary voyages. The Suzuki Grand Vitara offers comfortable seating for 5, including reclining rear seats, and 24.4 cubic feet of storage space with the rear seats up. Cargo space expands to 68.9 cubic feet with the 60/40 split folding seat backs folded. High-quality materials and attention to fit and finish should help make the driver accustomed to a large luxury SUV feel at home. Controls are easy to access and use, which anyone used to driving a large luxury SUV might find refreshing. For trim lines, to engines, 3 drivelines. The 2009 Suzuki Grand Vitara 4-cylinder model is offered in 4 trim levels: base, premium, XSport and luxury. The base model is RWD only, but its list of standard equipment is far from basic and includes air conditioning with automatic climate control and micron air filtration system, trip computer, power windows, mirrors and door locks, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, automatic on/off headlamps, 4-speaker AM/FM/CD/MP3/XM satellite radio registered trademark capable audio system and 16-inch wheels. The premium model 4-cylinder only adds an available 4-speed automatic transmission, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with illuminated audio controls, cruise control, privacy glass, full-size spare tire cover, cargo cover, and, when equipped with the optional single-mode 4-wheel drive, heated exterior mirrors. The XSport, available with RWD or 4-mode 4-wheel drive, adds function and luxury features, including power tilt and slide sunroof, the SmartPath trademark keyless entry and start system, 6-disc CD changer, 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels, roof rack rails and fog lamps. With the V6, XSport 4WD also gains hill descent control and hill hold control, 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, 8-speaker audio system with subwoofer and center channel speaker and door-mounted courtesy lights. In addition, the XSport deletes the full-size spare tire cover and replaces the standard steel spare wheel with a handsome matching alloy for a strong SUV image. The top-of-the-line luxury builds on the XSport equipment and adds leather seating surfaces, heated front seats, 8-speaker audio with subwoofer and center channel speaker, black wood grain trim accents and full-size spare tire cover with steel spare. With the V6, the Grand Vitara luxury trim line also receives 18-inch alloy wheels and HomeLink registered trademark wireless control system. In all Suzuki Grand Vitara models, standard and optional audio systems are XM satellite radio registered trademark capable, and an accessory IPO registered trademark interface is available. A connected IPO registered trademark works seamlessly through the radio or the steering wheel integrated controls, with playlists and track information appearing on the audio display.